guys, so today we're going to be making collard greens and ham hock. Get everyone so you can make this.
So we put the ham hock in a pot of water. We throw some celery in the water just for seasoning. It looks like a face. Let it boil for 3 hours.
This is about 3 hours later. Check it for tenderness.
Ooh, that's super tender. It fell right off the bone. Don't throw away the water you used to cook the ham hock because we're going to season it to cook the collard green.
Put a little crushed pepper to season the water. Little onion powder. And a little garlic powder. I don't have any white vinegar, so I'm going to use rice vinegar. And the vinegar takes away the tart taste. We added a little brown sugar. It's time to put the collard green in the seasoned water. Mix it all up. If you need to add more collard green, do so because it shrinks. Let it cook for about 2 hours. Camera is fogging up.
This was an hour later when I checked it. It's smelling so good.
20 minutes later,
We checked again and it was simmering down.
let it simmer for an hour. I'll be back.
This is an hour later and it's looking very good. It's so tender and juicy.
The collard bean has been cooking for about 2 hours. Just try it if it's tender. And if it is, take it out.
Guys, this is the finished look and I think it looks so good.
It smells so good. You can serve it with rice or whatever you want.